Welcome to the tutorial of renewable energy resources. In this tutorial, we will discuss the classification of energy resources. Energy resources are very broadly classified as primary energy resources, secondary energy resources. On the basis of their existence, they are also classified as renewable energy resources, non-renewable energy resources, and also these energy this energy can also be classified as conventional and non-conventional energy resources. So very broadly, it can be said that there are two types of resources. One is primary, means the resources which are utilized as they are present in the nature, like coal, petroleum, and many other resources. They are used as it is, as they are present in the nature. So these resources are called primary resources, and many others like uh, electricity, LPG, CNG, these resources which can be derived from the primary resources are called secondary resources. Like electricity can be derived from primary resources in many form, like it is derived either from thermal energy, it is derived from the geothermal energy, from the ocean energy, from the solar energy. Many resources are there from which electricity can be generated. So electricity is a secondary source of energy. So and other classification is these energy resources can be classified as renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. The renewable energy resources, we can say that those resources of energy which are being produced continuously in nature and will never be exhausted are called renewable sources of energy. Like solar energy, the largest source of energy on the earth is the solar energy, and we cannot predict that when this energy will get exhausted. We cannot say that when hydropower energy will get exhausted. Obviously they can be exhausted, but after a very long time. Even we cannot predict when they will get exhausted. And like other resources are biomass energy, wind energy, geothermal energy. These resources, we can say that they will never exhausted. So these also these resources may become renewable by nature itself. Nature can renew them again and again. So this energy from the renewable resources can be used again and again, and nature will reproduce the same energy. So the very basic definition of renewable energy is the energies which can never be exhausted are called renewable energy resources. Non-renewable energy resources have been the energy which have been produced in nature over a very long time and cannot be quickly replaced when exhausted are called non-renewable energy resources. So non-renewable energy resources are those resources which they will get exhausted if they are used continuously at a high pace as they are being used today. So they will get exhausted and they cannot be recovered back by any process. So these are the non-renewable energy resources. Also renewable energy resources, we can say that the if we go in the types of renewable energy resources, some basic types like solar energy is the most readily available source of energy. It does not belong to anybody and is therefore free. it is also the most important of non-conventional sources of energy because it is non-polluting and therefore helps in lessening the greenhouse effect. Also, biomass. Biomass is another type of renewable energy. Biomass is a renewable energy resource derived from the carbonaceous waste of various human and natural activities. It is derived from numerous sources, including the byproducts from the timber industry, agricultural crops, raw materials from the forest, major parts of the household waste, and wood. Some other renewable energy resources like hydel energy. Hydel energy is another type of renewable energy. The energy in the flowing water can be used to produce electricity. Waves result from the interaction of the wind with the surface of the sea and represents a transfer of energy from wind to the sea. Energy can be extracted from tides by creating a reservoir or basin behind a barrage and then passing tidal water through turbines in the barrage to generate electricity. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is basically the energy, the thermal energy which is present inside the earth, around the core of the earth. So, the energy which is present inside the earth, within the earth, is called geothermal energy. As we know that we live between two great sources of energy, the hot rocks beneath the surface of earth and the sun in the sky. Our ancestors knew the value of geothermal energy. They bathed and cooked in hot springs. Today we have recognized that this resource has the potential to be utilized. So, geothermal energy is another type of renewable energy. The heat within the earth generated by itself because of radioactive radiations in the core of the earth. Wind energy, very nice. This is another type of renewable energy. Wind energy is the kinetic energy associated with the movement of atmospheric air. It has been used for hundreds of years for sailing, grinding grain, and for irrigation. Wind energy system converts this kinetic energy to more useful forms of the power. Wind energy systems for irrigation and milling have been in use since ancient times, and since the beginning of the 20th century it is being used to generate electric power. Bend mills for water pumping have been installed in many countries, particularly in rural areas. So very nicely, it is it is a very clean and renewable source of energy, and it is free. Wind energy is free. There is no cost in generating the energy. The uh, investment is needed only to install the system of like wind turbine, tower, and many things. But the main source, which is wind is free of cost. So it is another form of renewable energy. If we talk about non-renewable energy, so this the energy which will become exhausted after after a certain period. So they some types of non-renewable energies are coal. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel in the world. During the formation of coal, carbonaceous matter was first compressed into a spongy material called peat, which is about 90% water. As the peat become more deeply buried, the increased pressure and temperature occurs. Other type, oil. Crude oil or liquid petroleum is a fossil fuel that is refined into many different energy products. Gasoline, diesel fuel, jet fuel, many forms are there. So this is, oils are also non-renewable sources of energy, because after a certain period it can also, it is predicted when they will get exhausted. It is known to us that these resources will get exhausted after a certain period. And other type is nuclear power, because radioactive elements are used in such type of power generation, and these radioactive elements are limited in the nature. That's why they are classified into the non renewable sources of energy. And natural gas, they are also non renewable, because they will get exhausted over a period. So a natural gas is often a byproduct of oil recovery, as the two commonly share underground reservoirs. Natural gas is mixture of gases, the most common being methane. It is also contains some ethane, propane and butane. Natural gas is usually not contaminated with sulfur and is therefore the cleanest burning fossil fuel. Thank you.